Resurge is a new natural food supplement that reduces leptin resistance, replaces the natural initial worth and reprograms the hypothalamus.
The supplement would be a natural and effective way to control fat.
It uses a natural mix of herbal ingredients, including 22 nutrients from the strongest plants and natural herbs in the world. Leptin resistance method that works on the hypothalamus to eliminate or retain toxic proteins within the body.
This Resurge supplement helps speed up the fat-burning method and alter leptin resistance without causing problems.
The product contains active natural ingredients that are same to increase the metabolism of the food change. This leads to the next energy level, control hunger and appetency, lowering cholesterol levels and maintaining a healthy blood sugar level. By using Resurge, your brain can regulate the functioning of the hypothalamus and also reverse the leptin resistance in your body to require control of your weight loss by resetting your biological set point. Here you'll get benefited from the leptin resistance that acts as a mighty weight loss miracle because the extraction water hack works effectively combined with different essential minerals to require control of your desire, boost metabolism, enhance your mood and gain a lot of energy. These minerals will even protect your heart, stabilize blood pressure, blood sugar level, cholesterol and different problems speedily. Chromium is related to having healthier hypothalamus function that helps to regulate your body temperature, hunger, thirst, sleep, mood and emotional activities. Studies have shown that chromium will keep the hypothalamus younger, control the appetite of the aged, and protect the brain's neurons from different malfunctions. Conclusion. To sum up the whole discussion of Resurge diet pills, we will be calling it effective and healthy for your body functioning. It will help you to fight against obesity or fat gain issues smoothly and efficiently. You can look at some Resurge reviews, hence it can also help you to boost your testosterone levels and ignite your system of metabolism. It is available at the price of $49 in the market. It is quite affordable. If you are disturbed from your obesity or weight gain issues, then don't forget to use this supplement right now. Click the link in description below this video to get Resurge supplement for weight loss and deep sleep.